My dear radiant souls, you were not placed here by accident. Your struggles, your dreams, and even your doubts, they all have purpose. You are chosen. And today we're diving into the work, the divine work, that can transform your life. This isn't just about wealth or success. It's about stepping into your God-given power and fulfilling the mission that was uniquely designed for you. Let me assure you of this. God doesn't want you to live in scarcity, whether that's financial, emotional, or spiritual. Abundance is your birthright. The creator of the universe didn't design you to scrape by. He designed you to thrive. But here's the secret. Abundance is not something you chase. It's something you align with. Scripture reminds us, ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and it will be opened to you. This isn't just a promise, it's a principle. But notice the action words, ask, seek, knock. Your faith requires movement. You have to be willing to show up, to do the work that aligns you with divine abundance. Let me give you this truth. The wealth you're seeking outside begins within. You cannot build a mansion on shaky ground, and your mind is the foundation. Are you filling it with faith, with gratitude, with possibility, or are you letting fear and doubt set the limits of your life? Neville Goddard, the master teacher of imagination, said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and your assumption will harden into fact." This isn't wishful thinking, it's divine alignment. When you align your thoughts and emotions with the reality you desire, you open the door for it to manifest. Think of it like planting seeds. The thoughts you nurture today become the harvest of your tomorrow. Here's something I want you to reflect on deeply. The work that will lead to your abundance is not about hustling endlessly or forcing outcomes. It's about taking inspired action, the kind of action that flows from a place of trust, not desperation. One of the most transformative verses reminds us, "Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will be established." This is the key. When you dedicate your efforts to a higher purpose, your work becomes sacred. It's no longer about proving your worth or striving for validation. It's about co-creating with the divine. But let me tell you this, trust doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for a miracle. Trust means moving forward with the confidence that God is walking with you. It's a partnership. So ask yourself, are you taking steps that honor the vision God has placed in your heart? If not, what's stopping you? Let's address something head on. If you've been struggling, it's not because you're unworthy or forgotten. Challenges are not punishments, they're preparation. Every setback you've faced has been a stepping stone, shaping you for the greatness that lies ahead. Think of gold. It's purified in fire, not because it's worthless, but because it's precious. You are the same. The trials you endure are refining you, stripping away doubt, fear, and limitation, and revealing the brilliance that's been within you all along. So, the next time you face a challenge, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How is it preparing me for the abundance I'm stepping into? Here's the shift I want you to make today. Stop asking, what can I get? And start asking, what can I give? When you align your work with service, when you focus on how you can uplift others, solve problems, or bring light into the world, you position yourself for abundance. Why? Because the universe responds to contribution. The more you give, the more you receive. Michael Beckwith, a spiritual leader, reminds us, you cannot have what you're not willing to become. If you want wealth, become a person of value. If you want love, embody love. If you want success, cultivate discipline and integrity. Your external reality will always reflect your internal state. Write this down. I am the source of my abundance. Now let me leave you with this. Abundance isn't something waiting for you in the distant future. It's here now. The question is, are you ready to claim it? The work that God has called you to is not out of reach. It's within you. But you must choose to believe it. You must choose to align your actions, your thoughts, and your faith with the reality you desire. You are chosen, not because you're perfect, but because you're purposeful. So take this moment to decide, will you step into your power or will you let fear hold you back? The life you're meant to live is waiting for you, but only you can take the first step.